So here in the Midwest, we have blizzard-like conditions. Actually, it's not blizzard-like, it is a blizzard. Who am I kidding? And I work 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. and there's no way I am getting home. So I gotta sleep at work and I don't want to. And I'm really kind of emotional about it because my husband's at home. He just got off work as well, and we kind of don't have daycare. So he's not getting any sleep. Yeah, I should have called in sick. But that is how dedicated I am. I don't want to sleep here. I don't. I'm stuck at work. Like the worst day of my life, seriously.